Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the best products so you can make smarter choices. Today, we're looking at the best cardboard moving boxes on the market, the Banker's Box Small Classic Moving Box 10-pack. Whether you're relocating, organizing, or storing away your essentials, this box set is designed to simplify the process with durability, convenience, and smart design. Let's dive in. The Banker's Box Small Classic Moving Boxes are an absolute game-changer when it comes to packing. Right out of the pack, these boxes offer quick and easy assembly. You don't need tape or extra tools to get started. That's right, zero tape. Each box simply folds together with a smooth, intuitive motion, saving you time and frustration. Now let's talk size. Each box in the pack measures 15 inches long, 12 inches wide, and 10 inches high. That's the sweet spot for small to medium-sized items. Think books, office supplies, kitchen utensils, small electronics, and more. These are boxes designed for the kind of items that can get heavy fast, but without the risk of overloading or breaking. One of the standout features here is the reinforced handles. These aren't your average cutout handles that tear under pressure. They're built into the box with extra strength, making lifting and carrying safer and more comfortable, especially during a stressful move. Each box comes with a lift-off lid. It stays securely in place while you're carrying or stacking, but it's easy to remove when you need quick access to your stuff. The lids also help keep things dust-free in storage, which is especially helpful if you're using these for long-term organization in closets, basements, or garages. Stackability is another big win here. These boxes have a double layer of corrugated cardboard on the bottom and around the handles, giving them the structure and strength to hold up even when stacked. That means you can keep your packed boxes neat and compact without worrying about crushing. And here's something eco-conscious consumers will appreciate. These boxes are made from recyclable materials, and they're reusable. You can break them down flat when not in use, store them away, and bring them back out the next time you need them. Manufactured in the USA at a facility powered in part by a 1 megawatt solar array. The Banker's Box Company brings an extra layer of sustainability to their products. It's always great to support companies that are thinking ahead. In the packaging, you get a total of 10 boxes, making this a great value for small apartment moves, office packing, or home reorganization projects. And thanks to the labeling space printed directly on the sides, you'll stay organized throughout the entire moving process. So if you're planning a move, tidying up, or just want a reliable set of boxes on hand, the Banker's Box Small Classic Moving Box 10-pack delivers on every front: strength, ease of use, and reusability. No tape, no fuss, just solid performance every time. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this review helped you decide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more hands-on product insights. See you in the next video.